Dieting with a busy schedule. When it comes to dieting, many of us find that the number one hindrance to our success is the lack of time to prepare the proper meals and snacks for our dietary needs. It is often much more convenient to throw one thing in the crock pot for the family, or resort to the fast food last resort rather than preparing the healthy and nutritious meal that we should be eating. There are things you can do, however, that will reduce the temptation to hit the drive-thru and keep you on course with your dieting needs. The first of these is a process known as once-a-week cooking. With this method, you cook enough meals to last you a week on one day. This means that for every night of the week you have a diet-friendly meal ready to go. If your entire family is dieting or eating healthier with you, this works for this situation as well. Dieting and incorporating healthier eating habits into the food for your entire family is a great way to set an example for your children while keeping you motivated and removing temptation. With once-a-week cooking, you freeze the food that won't be immediately consumed and thaw it the morning you will be eating the food to cook when you arrive home after work or decide it is time for your evening meal. This is a process that works well no matter how many soccer games, dance practices, and band recitals you have on your calendar for the week. You can manage to stick to your diet while having a great meal for your family each and every night of the week. You should also make sure to have a nice supply and cleaned and cut fruits, vegetables, and salad ingredients in your refrigerator in order to make these dishes readily accessible for quick lunches or snacks. Having these foods readily available will help you resist the temptation to snack on higher calorie prepackaged food, while also helping to ensure that you have a ready supply of fresh fruits and vegetables to help you get your 5 servings a day. You should also keep some conveniently packaged yogurt on hand as a good, quick, and easy dairy product. Sugar-free pudding cups are another decent snack for those who need something quick and easy to have on hand. Preparation and planning are essential to successfully meeting your weight loss goals. By preparing as much of the food as possible ahead of time, you will never even miss the convenience of those high-calorie pre-packaged meals and snacks that so many of us survive on when not dieting. Another time saver is to work your fitness opportunities into the course of your day. Rather than performing one lengthy workout each day, try to find methods of bringing a little fitness activity into the most mundane portions of your day. Go stair climbing at lunch, park on the top level of the parking garage and walk down, then up when returning the stairs, park far away from the door of the supermarket, and see if your mall has a walking path that is clearly marked. You'll be amazed at the hidden opportunities many of us have for exercising during our busy days. The trick is often in discovering the activities rather than the time. When all is said and done, dieting doesn't have to be as time-consuming as you may think it is. There are all kinds of pre-packaged plans for dieters, however, if that is the choice you feel is best for you. Whether you are going with lean cuisine meals, Weight Watchers frozen entrees, Ginny Craig, or the Slim Fast program, there are all kinds of opportunities to work dieting and fitness into even the busiest of schedules. When planning your dieting practices, be sure to consider the tips and advice mentioned above. Thanks for watching.